Hi there everyone. In this video I'm going to walk you through the National Institute of Biomedical Genomics or NIBMG. It's a DBT institute, which means it's a Department of Biotechnology under Government of India. They were established in 2009 and they work very closely with AIMS Kalyani, which is just nearby. I had visited the campus as part of an educational tour from my college during my graduation. The most fascinating part is that the building itself is in the form of a DNA.
About 5 million years ago, a population of African apes split into two distinct species.
They have a museum in their department, and the most attractive part about their institute is definitely this life-size model of Sir Watson and Crick and this DNA sculpture. It from this angle you cannot make it out, but when you get the top view, actually from this point you can understand that it's actually an 8. Basically it's meant to be like a DNA. It's a DNA shaped building, just one helix point, and this is a twist. So that's what it's supposed to be. It's a really huge campus. This is the football ground. There's also a volleyball ground, and probably there will be a basketball ground soon.
And the campus is exciting.
Yep. Very peaceful environment. Wind is blowing. This hi. So this entire campus is 30 acres. Okay, that's a lot of land. This is the canteen. It's a little far from the main building. Even the stairs here is in the form of a helix. I'll show you in a while. We were shown all the labs inside the facility. I will attach the photos at the end of the video. We were given lunch, and this is where the hostel is, just by the mess. I liked the institute a lot and I really wanted to get in for integrated PhD. The reason why I wanted to get into NIPMG is because they specifically do genetic studies and always try to find the genetic factors of a disease. When the forms came out for the integrated IPHD applications, I was sure that I'll write my SOP accordingly because that's what I'm interested in. So I was interested in the epigenetic causes of diabetes, and that's what I wrote my SOP around. If you haven't noticed already, these paintings are actually made by very young children, 6-year-olds, some 9, some 15, but the common thing is that they have Down syndrome. So coming back to my SOP, I wrote it about how there have been so many studies about epigenetic factors affecting the grandchildren of survivors of famine and making them more prone to diabetes. So I was thinking about similar lines, if we could apply that to Bengal famine and do a similar cohort study. But I thought to myself that it would take a miracle for me to get selected in the interview, but I did. I really get selected for the first round of interview. However, I did not get selected in the second round of interview, even though I thought that my interview went well only, but that's okay.